Hey guys, and welcome to our channel. Today at the Rapplux Garage, we're going to be extracting, cleaning, and conditioning the seats in my personal car. I've had a couple people ask me how to take care of seats that have both fabric and leather, so I hope you enjoy. Since these seats are really not bad, I decided not to do a heavy extraction, so I just chose a hand brush instead of the drill brush and a lighter solution to take out any grime in the seats. Since the seats are partial leather and fabric, later on in the video I'll be trying out a new product to clean and condition the leather. After finishing the extraction on the fabric, I'm now going to clean the leather with this new product that you can find at Advanced Auto Parts. This will be my first time trying out these products, and towards the end of the video, I will let you guys know my final thoughts. After applying the cleaner, I wiped down any parts of the leather that still had water or solution from the extraction process. After everything is dry, I will be putting a couple drops of the cleaner on a microfiber towel and working it into the leather to pick up any grease and dirt. After applying the cleaner, I made sure the leather was fully dry before applying the conditioner. To apply the conditioner, I added a dime-sized amount onto an applicator pad and gently rubbed it into the leather. After I applied it to the entire seat, I went back for a second round just to make sure the leather was nicely hydrated and protected from the sun. So these are my final thoughts. The cleaner seemed to work well and it did take off some grease, but the conditioner was very thick and didn't seem to penetrate the leather as good as some other brands I've used. I highly recommend the Chemical Guys cleaner and conditioner for leather seats. It's not only cheaper, but it's also my personal favorite. But this honey line worked well, but in my opinion the price was a little steep and the results did not stand up to the cost of this duo. I will give it another shot and update you guys below on my later thoughts. But subscribe to stay tuned, give us a thumbs up and comment down below your thoughts, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.